So right now, my I'm trying to. So right now, I'm trying to do my own little repair to my Razer Wolverine controller for my Xbox. And see, I don't know if you can see, but I lost the joystick thumb pad part to this. The joystick's still there, but it's kind of annoying to game with just a metal thing. And I lost all my extra pieces, so I'm trying to do my own little repair to it, and I couldn't find anything good to do it online besides taking apart the controller and replacing it for the old Xbox joystick remote. But I don't trust myself doing that. Sometimes taking apart Xbox controllers or old controllers, it just never seems to work the same or feel the same. So what I did, I bought some thumbsticks right here. They look like this. They're real grippy too. And then I bought some Gorilla Glue. And then I got some Gorilla Tape. So I'm using this and double-sided Gorilla Tape. I'm gonna do my own little fix to it. So right now, I'm taking off this. Snip this. Looks like need to snip a little more. Snip a little smaller. See? Put some double-sided Gorilla Tape on the inside, and just a second. So I just put some double-sided Gorilla Tape on the inside, and now I don't know if you can see this, but this is some Gorilla Tape. Gorilla Glue, clear Gorilla Glue, non-foaming. As soon as I get the squeeze out. Put it on. Probably not the best thing in the world to do, but So as you can see, I just put that one on. I'm gonna wait for that one to dry, and then later on, I'm gonna put the place pad for that one too, but doesn't need as much work as the other one. Alright, so I'm back. I'm gonna try a different way. My other way wasn't working out too well. I'm gonna try wax, a little bit of wax that you would normally use for like earplugs if you're swimming. I just tore off a bit. Screw this glue on real quick. Put dab. I'm gonna put on top of this joystick. Hopefully it'll work. Not, I got more of a situation on me. It looks kind of ghetto, but it's kind of working. Give that fully time to dry. I'll let y'all know when I start the format later. So, right now, so I put this, I put earwax underneath the joystick, like underneath this pad thing. The earwax that you would go swimming with to plug your earphone, getting water in your ears. That's what that clear stuff is right there. And then I put Gorilla Glue on underneath that to hold this on the joystick. And I'm testing the movement speed right now. The right is a little slow, but not too slow. My little repair is a little janky, but it's working okay right now.